Welcome. This presentation provides an overview of blockchain and distributed ledger technologies. We will cover the fundamentals of how these technologies work and explore their potential applications. These are immutable database technologies. What is blockchain? A blockchain is a distributed, decentralized ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. It provides an immutable record of data, meaning that once data is written, it cannot be altered. Blockchains eliminate the need for a central authority through various consensus mechanisms. They offer transparency yet are secure through cryptographic techniques. Let's explore the key components of a blockchain. First, there are blocks. Blocks are data structures that contain batches of transactions, a timestamp, and a reference to the previous block. These blocks are linked together to form a chain. The chain is a linked sequence of blocks using cryptographic hashes, creating an immutable record of transactions. Cryptography is used through hash functions and digital signatures to secure transactions and maintain data integrity. Blockchains operate on a distributed network. It's a peer-to-peer network where each node maintains a copy of the entire blockchain. Consensus mechanisms are used as protocols that ensure all nodes agree on the valid state of the blockchain. Examples include proof of work and proof of stake. Finally, smart contracts. These are self-executing code that automatically enforces rules and agreements when predefined conditions are met. Consensus mechanisms are fundamental to how blockchain networks agree on the valid state of the ledger. Let's start with proof of work. In proof of work, miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first miner to solve the puzzle creates the next block and receives rewards. Proof of work is highly secure and has been battle-tested by Bitcoin. However, it is energy-intensive and can result in slower transactions. Next is proof of stake. In proof of stake, validators are selected to create blocks based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. Proof of stake is energy efficient and can provide faster transactions. However, it can lead to wealth concentration and is less battle-tested. Next is delegated proof of stake. In delegated proof of stake, token holders vote for a limited number of delegates who are responsible for validating transactions and maintaining the blockchain. Delegated proof of stake provides high throughput and is energy efficient. However, it is more centralized and carries a risk of delegate collusion. Finally, practical Byzantine fault tolerance. Here, nodes vote on the state of the system in multiple rounds to reach consensus, even if some nodes are faulty or malicious. Practical Byzantine fault tolerance delivers high performance and low energy usage. However, it has limited scalability and requires known validators. Cryptography is a critical component in blockchain technology. Hash functions are one-way mathematical functions that convert data of any size to a fixed size output, known as a hash. Public-private key pairs are used in asymmetric cryptography, enabling secure transactions and digital signatures. Digital signatures verify the authenticity and integrity of transactions using private keys. Merkle trees are efficient data structures for verifying large datasets and transaction integrity. Smart contracts are self-executing code that automatically enforces rules and agreements when predefined conditions are met. They provide autonomous execution without intermediaries, are immutable once deployed to the blockchain, offer deterministic outcomes based on predefined logic, and are transparent and verifiable by all network participants. Common use cases for smart contracts include decentralized finance, supply chain management, insurance, voting systems, and digital identity. There are several types of blockchain networks. First, public blockchains. These are open networks where anyone can participate, read, write, and validate transactions. Public blockchains are fully decentralized, transparent to all participants, secured by consensus mechanisms, and typically have slower transaction speeds. Examples include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Next, private blockchains. These are restricted networks where only selected participants can validate transactions. Private blockchains offer controlled access, higher transaction throughput, are more energy efficient, and are less decentralized. Examples include Hyperledger Fabric, Corda, and Quorum. Finally, consortium blockchains. These are semi-decentralized networks governed by a group of organizations. Consortium blockchains are partially decentralized, offer shared governance, are faster than public chains, and provide selective transparency. Examples include Energy Web Chain, Marco Polo, and WeTrade. Blockchain technology has numerous use cases beyond just cryptocurrency. In finance, blockchain enables decentralized lending, borrowing, trading, and asset management without traditional financial intermediaries. Examples include Compound, Aave, and Uniswap. In supply chain management, blockchain provides transparent tracking of goods from origin to consumer, reducing fraud and improving efficiency. Examples include IBM Food Trust, VeChain, and TradeLens. In healthcare, blockchain supports secure sharing of patient records, drug traceability, and clinical trial management. Examples include MedRec, Patientory, and MetaLedger. For voting systems, blockchain offers transparent, tamper-proof voting records that maintain voter privacy while ensuring election integrity. Examples include Votes, Follow My Vote, and Agora. In gaming and non-fungible tokens, blockchain enables ownership of digital assets, in-game items, and virtual real estate with provable scarcity. Examples include Axie Infinity, Decentraland, and NBA Top Shot. Finally, in energy trading, blockchain facilitates peer-to-peer energy trading, allowing consumers to buy and sell excess renewable energy. Examples include PowerLedger, GridPlus, and Brooklyn Microgrid. Despite its potential, blockchain technology faces several challenges. Scalability is a major issue, with limited transaction throughput compared to traditional systems. For example, Bitcoin processes approximately 7 transactions per second, while Visa handles over 24,000 transactions per second. Energy consumption is another concern, as proof-of-work consensus requires significant computational power and electricity, raising environmental issues. Privacy is also a challenge. Public blockchains expose transaction data, creating challenges for sensitive business or personal information. Regulatory uncertainty, with evolving legal frameworks and compliance requirements across different jurisdictions, creates adoption barriers. Several solutions are being developed to address these challenges. Layer 2 solutions such as Lightning Network, rollups, and sidechains process transactions outside the main blockchain to improve scalability. Alternative consensus mechanisms like proof-of-stake reduce power consumption significantly compared to proof-of-work. Zero-knowledge proofs are cryptographic methods that allow verification of information without revealing the underlying data, enhancing privacy. Interoperability solutions, including cross-chain protocols and bridges, enable different blockchains to communicate and share data seamlessly. Blockchain technology is set to evolve significantly in the coming years. Web3 and the decentralized internet aim to shift control from centralized platforms to user-owned networks, empowering individuals with their data and digital assets. Blockchain implementation in government can enhance transparency, reduce corruption, and improve efficiency in public administration through applications in public records and voting systems. The integration of artificial intelligence and blockchain can create more intelligent, autonomous systems with transparent decision-making processes and decentralized governance of artificial intelligence models. Finally, the development of quantum-resistant blockchain technologies, including cryptographic algorithms that can withstand attacks from quantum computers, will ensure the security of blockchains as quantum computing advances. In conclusion, blockchain technology is evolving beyond its initial applications to become a foundational layer for trust, transparency, and decentralization across industries and digital systems. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.